Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to this brand new video. Today I will be talking about my 4-day swing trade that I recently took with this stock CRM, Salesforce. So I'm going to be revealing how much I made with this 4-day swing trade. So right now the economy has been very uncertain. It keeps on going up and down, but it's not making higher highs, and it can be very tough making money. So this is why I absolutely love swing trade, because it's short term and it's secure. These are locked in profits. So before we get started and explain how I did this, make sure you subscribe to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you strategies, how to make money online, how to make profits, how to be a greater investor in the stock market, and how to constantly lock in profits like I do as well. So this is my overall goal with this YouTube channel. I'm trying to build other income sources for you. Alright, and these are some of my referral links. This is Robinhood, my favorite brokerage that I use. This is the one that I took the swing trade in, no commissions at all. This is M1 Finance, so you can use that link for $10 for you to use for your M1 investments. It's a pretty cool app. I definitely recommend you check it out. You can invest with 100 companies with $100. This is Acorns. It links to your debit or credit card, and when you spend money, you're investing money because it rounds up to the nearest dollar and puts that money to be invested in the stock market. Alright, this is Mercari, my favorite buying and selling platform. You get $10 off any purchase if you use the link, and all of these links are in the description. So now let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to break down my buys and the sell order. So like all of you know probably that I've seen my past few videos, I always buy a share one by one and only buy the next one until I'm profitable on the previous one. So I do not buy unless I'm already profitable, and I only buy if the share price is increasing little by little, and I keep on buying more shares. So now let's do the math for my total profit. That is $109.33 for a 4-day swing trade. Not too bad. And I did this while at work, so pretty cool. So I made some extra money while working. And nowadays it can be pretty hard to make $100 like that, just extra passively, pretty much, just by doing a little bit of buying through your phone through this application called Robinhood. So this is my previous video where I talked about this. Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video from the Flaming. This is M1 Finance, my favorite. As long as the cost per share, I do not want shares, and the more and automatically shares as long as low and sell off the cost of the share, and I'm only investment. So now I'm going to show you my last swing trade position. This is Salesforce. One thing that helps you a lot with swing trade investments is if you know a company is about to report earnings, the stock can be a lot more volatile because it's anticipating either a big gain or a big loss from its earnings. But this is actually a good catalyst that you need to pay attention to. So CRM, Salesforce, and like I said, yeah, so there we go. So I literally showed you in my last video that I was initiating that swing trade position in Salesforce. I showed you that I bought my first share and my plan of action, and I followed through, and my strategy worked out. So I was able to lock in $109 today for my 4-day swing trade. I just followed the strategies that I mentioned in my last video. So that's kind of proves to you guys that these strategies do work, definitely. You just have to be disciplined. And so basically, this stock had its earnings today, and they were positive. And I knew to buy shares of the stock beforehand because there's a lot of volatility when it comes down to a stock about to report earnings. And by the way, these are my other swing trades that I'm doing at the moment. Some of them are down right now, but I only buy an additional share if I'm up on the position. So they'll stay like that until I'm up on them. Bold Tapestry, I'm up. But that's the strategy I follow. I only buy whenever I'm up on the position. If I'm down, I do not buy until I'm up again. So this is what I followed. And so as I was saying, so Salesforce had their earnings today, came out good. So the strategy I follow with the earnings is I anticipate a lot of volatility in the stock, and I knew Salesforce is a good stock to swing trade because one, the technical analysis checked out. It was undervalued from where it was at, and I knew that a good positive earnings report will definitely move up the stock. And even just the anticipation of its earnings, people will definitely buy the stock beforehand because they expect it to go up, just like I do. And I just kind of trade people's opinion and belief in the stock as they buy or sell a particular stock. And I was buying heavily throughout today because they were reporting earnings today. So I knew most of the volatility will come from today, from its earnings report. And I have the ability to trade after hours, so this definitely helped out. It's only $5 a month with Robinhood Gold, and this gave me the ability to sell in after hours. If I wasn't able to sell in after hours, I would have missed out on a lot of cash from that. And after I sold, it did go up $3 more, but this does not upset me at all because it's all about locking in profits. There's no way I would have known that it would have gone even more up by $3. It's honestly not that big of a deal. The most important thing is locking in profits. I was up like $5 only on the stock, and then from its earnings report, I got to $109. So that's a huge profit from going from $5 to $109. I definitely did not want to miss out on that cash. It's always important to lock in profits because they add up big time to your overall total return on your investments. And this is CRM, the stock, the max chart. I always look at max charts. You want to be investing in growing stocks like this. This is a beast of a stock, probably the best stock ever because it continues to go up no matter what. And whenever these stocks are on a dip buy opportunity, you definitely should go all in, just like Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, CRM, any of these stocks. Whenever they go down, that's a huge opportunity for you to buy. But you have to make sure that you only buy if it continues to go up because you do not want to add money to a losing investment. It's all about patience. Follow the strategy of buying one by one and make sure you're profitable. So this is how I do it, and I appreciate you taking your time to take a look at my strategies, how I swing trade, and I hope that you implement them if you feel comfortable, because these strategies definitely have helped me. I've probably swing traded more than 20 stocks at this point, and most of them do come out successful. Obviously, you do not win in all of them, but it's all about knowing how to cut losses and how to take preventive measures so that you do not lose a lot of money and you gain more most of the time. So yeah, thank you all so much. Please subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.